Going to the hospital every 6 months, it was normal. I was always thinking that, okay, am I going to pass out? Because the doctors are always saying that she might go out at any moment, she might faint. That was the main concern.
I love my children. Of course, as a mom, sometimes they drive you nuts. But you have to cherish every single moment. She doesn't know, but at times that I would go by her bed and I'll just be looking and making sure her heart is beating, because you never could tell what could happen if she just passed away in her sleep. And she's at school and your mind is going, you know, what if something was to happen? I remember one time, you know, just sitting in the kitchen and couldn't even find the words to pray. And I just from that day, I let go. I stopped fighting, and I said, every day, I will do as though it's our last day.
I don't know what I'll do without her. I can't ask for a better mom and dad and a brother. I really can't. I thank God for putting them in my life.
By about 10 and a half, she was diagnosed with a complete heart block. This is when they started to talk about, listen, we need to start thinking about putting in the pacemaker. In an ordinary life, we definitely would not be able to afford a pacemaker. So I wrote a letter and, you know, just allowed the Lord to lead. The day of the surgery, she came back out, and one of the best things was to look up at that monitor and see her heart rate. It was 98 and her pulse 89. I said, yes! That was one of the best things to see that.
Now that I have it in, I could drive when I get older. I could go and swim alone. I could do things more on my own. Being in the hospital so much and seeing the doctors, it's given me a motivation to be a doctor. So I'm really happy.
All of this has just brought our family closer together. It's been a long journey, but she's healthy and strong. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord.